Now that's an auto ranging.
Yes,
It automatically sizes up the ampere hour rating for the battery itself.
correct.
These are 7 ampere hour batteries.
Correct.
It does an internal load test,
Correct.
and then it returns the actual ampere hour rating of the battery.
Correct.
.5, and what's it supposed to be?
4.55.
4.55 according
Or
to
better.
the chart. These batteries are not even 2 years old. Okay, and these are
Ultratech.
Ultratechs?
Yes.
Are we having a problem with Ultratech batteries?
Yes, we are.
PowerSonic is better?
PowerSonic or Yasis?
Or Yuasa? Very good. Thank you.